Understanding century. A journey through time. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a word that's not just a term, but a journey through time, century. Understanding this word is crucial for anyone delving into history, culture, and even everyday conversation. So, let's unravel the mystery of century together. First things first, what does century mean? In its simplest form, a century is a period of 100 years. This term comes from the Latin word centuria, which had a similar meaning. Centuries are used as a way of grouping years into manageable chunks when we look at history. Think of them as chapters in the Grand Book of Time. Now, let's talk about how we count centuries. It's a bit tricky, so pay close attention. The 1st century AD includes the years from 1 to 100, the 2nd century from 101 to 200, and so on. This means the 21st century, where we are now, began in the year 2001 and will end in 2100. Remember, the century number is always one more than the first two digits of the years it contains. Let's see century in action. When you use it in a sentence, it often comes with other details like which century or what event. For instance, the 18th century was a time of great discoveries. This painting dates back to the early 20th century. Shakespeare lived during the late 16th century. Notice how specifying early, mid, or late century can give more precise information about the time period. While century is mainly used in historical contexts, it pops up in other areas too. For example, in sports, a cricket player scoring 100 runs in a single inning is said to have made a century. In greetings, someone's 100th birthday is often celebrated as their centennial. That's our time journey with century. I hope this video has shed light on this fascinating word, helping you understand and use it better in your English conversations and writings. Remember, each century carries its unique stories, and now, you're ready to talk about them. Keep exploring and happy learning!